Hello everyone, I have a little game for you. We have some blackbirds way over there. We have some pelicans way over there. And we have a chicken way over there. Now one of these birds just doesn't belong here. Now it's time to play our game. It's time to play our game. Whatever, right? So, blackbirds. Why are blackbirds here? Natural habitat. Pelicans. Well, they have a drain over there. So, naturally, there will be pelicans. I know you might be thinking about this chicken. As to why a chicken would be out in the middle of a highway. Probably because this is KFC. Boy, boy.